Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Hannah. In today's video we're going to be doing a bit of a life update and also unboxing the Ipsy April Glam Bag. It came in a box just because my add-ons did not fit in the regular bag. So first we'll do the update and then we'll do the unboxing. If you would like to skip to the unboxing, I'll put like a timestamp down in the description so you can skip ahead to that. But let's get started. So the reason I don't have my camera or any of my equipment anymore is, well, for one, I am no longer in a relationship with my editor. Well, he was my boyfriend before he was my editor, but you guys know him as the guy who used to edit my videos. So yeah, he took his camera back and any equipment that I had. So I had to learn how to put all the setup back together with what I had, and I figured my phone's got a 4K camera, so that works. And then AirPods should hopefully work for audio. So yeah, I did do a bit of a test video before just to make sure that they worked, and they seemed okay. Probably not the best quality that you guys are gonna get, but for now, that's all I can do. And the editing part, I'll have to see how much I remember from before when I started learning. So yeah, we do have another unboxing video coming up soon, just depending on when it gets here. I subscribed to BoxyCharm, which is another makeup subscription box, but it's with full-size items, so hopefully that'll be coming near the end of the week or the beginning of next week. I'll probably also do a video on how my setup works at some point, because I don't have lighting, I don't have my regular camera, I don't have a microphone, so I just want to like do that so people know that you don't have to have all of the big fancy cameras, lights, all that to start a channel if you really want to. So I'll probably make that in the next couple days or weeks. Yeah. Anyways, how are you guys doing? Really hope that you guys are staying safe. If you ever need someone to talk to, my DMs are open on Instagram so we can chat. I really want to do an Instagram live one of these nights, so if you would be open to do that or whatever, let me know in the comments. I'll probably make a post on Instagram of like when that's gonna be. Hopefully in the next, again, couple days, next week something, when I have the time. So yeah, anyways, that's enough rambling. Let's get on to unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag. So as I mentioned before, my bag came in a box. I did already open it just because I was really confused why it came in a box, and then I saw that it was just because my add-on was too big to actually put in the bag. So I guess we're gonna start with the add-ons this time. So I got this, I really probably am gonna butcher the name, but it's Sela Seed to Skin Scrub. It's a natural green polish exfoliant. I got this in, actually a friend gave me like a miniature version of it to try, of the coffee scrub, and I really liked it. And then when I saw this as one of the add-ons, I decided to pick it up just to see if it was the same as the other one. It smells, it honestly doesn't have that much of a smell. It kind of smells like flowers, a little bit of perfumey smell. Excited to try this again. I believe this is a Canadian brand actually. Yep, it was made in Canada, and this retails for, I think it's like, I want to say like $34 US and like $40 Canadian or something. I'll have to check into that. But if you guys want to grab it for yourself, I'll leave it like a link in the description where you guys can pick it up, and I'll let you guys know in the next video if I've liked this or not. Yeah. So my next add-on, I got a Luxie brush. It's a little blending brush. It's a new little style. It's like an ombre. It is the large, it's a large shading brush. It's really soft. I love waxy brushes. I always pick them up if they have them for add-ons with Ipsy, just because, you know, you can never have too many brushes, and their eye brushes are really nice. So I haven't opened the bag yet, so we don't really know what's in here. Looks like we have some face masks to start off from JD Jun Essential Calming Masks. Looks like there's a rosemary one and a grapefruit one. I get a lot of sheet masks from Ipsy. I'm not a huge fan of sheet masks. I prefer like a clay mask, but I'll probably pass these on to my sister because she enjoys sheet masks. Do we have our little card in here? Yeah, this is the bag for this month. Super cute. They've been doing a really good job with the bags lately. I have loved them. Let's just see how much those masks retail for. So the JJM USA Essential Sheet Mask Set for calming and brightening. It says this glow boosting sheet mask set. Hop on the brightening mask when you want to fade dark spots and use up your skin's radiance, and use the calming mask when you want to soothe and hydrate stressed skin. It says store them in the fridge to feel extra cool and refreshing when you apply. So it says this is a deluxe sample, and the MSRP of the full-size version, which is 10 face masks, is $30. So if I can do math, they're like $3 each. It's not bad for masks. I've never heard of the brand before, but I'll either use them or pass them on to my sister and see if I like them. The next thing is just sitting in the bag here. It's from Shayna B Miami. I got a blush from them in the last bag. So this is the Shayna B Miami blush brush. It is a square cut tip that works perfectly for contouring your cheekbones, hairline, and jawline. And it says the MSRP is $23. Already there's like some bristles coming out of the brush. I don't know if that's from shipping. It's kind of already misshapen. So hopefully, oh yeah, it looked like it was in like a little cover, but the cover kind of came loose in shipping, so I was a little bit afraid, but hopefully if I stick it back in here, it'll shape itself back up. It seems like a nice brush, apart from the fact that a couple bristles were coming out of the brush already, but hopefully they won't happen anymore. And yeah, let's move on to the next thing in our bag, which looks to be a waterproof micro eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics. Cat eyes, dramatic wings, or simple flex. They're all made easy with this jet black liquid liner. It's firm, easy to control. Easy to control. Dip draws clean. Crisp lines every single time. No pro skills required. That's good because I'm not a pro with makeup. It says to shake the pen before you use it and to store it upside down to prevent the felt tip from drying out. It says the full size is $11.99. I don't know if this is the full size. I feel like it's probably just a deluxe sample. I get a lot of liquid liners from Ipsy, probably because I keep telling them I like them. I should really tell them that I don't want any more of them, just because I have so many of them. I usually just end up passing them on to someone else. But this one I might use. Oh, that is really black. Really nice. Doesn't seem to be fading into the lines on the back of my hand, so I might actually keep this for myself. It is a felt tip yeah, I'm gonna actually use this one. I have something, a highlighter from Sugar that I got in Ipsy before, and I really liked it, so hopefully I'll like this as well. Next thing we have is from Space Case Cosmetics. I've had a blush from them before. Let's see. So this is a bronzer in the shade Vacation on Mars. To be honest, it looks a little shimmery almost. That's what it looks like. It almost looks creamy in the camera. Also, excuse my nails, I bite them and they've been really bad lately. Yeah, that looks really orange. Probably too orange for my skin tone. Maybe my sister will use it, or it can be my summer shade, but right now I am too pale to use that. Anyways, it says the Space Case Vacation Bronzer. The smooth powder bronzer will give you just the touch of radiance you crave. It's a subtle shimmer. So this shimmer, my eyes do not deceive me, that adds instant luminosity to your look and blends and builds without looking streaky or cakey. I don't know, I might try it out. Might look different on my face than it will on my super pale arms, so we'll try it out. It says to apply it to your temples, cheeks, collarbone, anywhere you want some warmth. The MSRP of the full-size version of this product is $9, so I don't know, not bad, I guess. I don't mind getting bronzers. I just wish that the color was a bit nicer. Sorry, yawning again, like usual. Next and last thing we have in the bag is from Christoph Robin. It is the Scrub Levant. Sorry, that was in French. Oh, here it is. The cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt. It's for your hair. So if your hair gets more love from dry shampoo than regular shampoo, no judgment, us too. Make sure this purifying scrub is part of your routine on wash day. It uses exfoliant sea salt to nix flakes, buildup, and residue, plus almond oil to nourish your scalp and strands. So the tip for using it says massage a quarter size scoop into your scalp and create a lather. Rinse and condition. So this is a deluxe sample size. The MSRP of the full size version of this product is $53. It's actually a really good sample size. I kind of want to open it to see what it's like. Oh, that's like, I don't know. It smells kind of good. It's weird texture. This is what it looks like. It's pretty full. I don't know if I like the texture of that. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand, even though it's for my hair. It just feels like a regular exfoliant, and could be nice in here. I don't know. I'll let you guys know in the next video if I try it out. Before then, I think this is the item that I chose for this bag this month. So I don't think I knew it was for your hair. I literally thought it was like a regular exfoliant for your face or body, but I guess not. So we will try that and let you guys know. Anyways, that is it for the bag, I believe. And hopefully I'll have another unboxing video up soon by the end of this week or beginning of next week. If that doesn't come soon, then I'll put up another video in between. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.